Hi Beanbeauti, ZB here. How you doing today? I told you I'm in collab season. I have a collab today with Melissa's Corner and with Missy's from Missy's Beauty and Luxury. Missy, we have found her in the same hole that Melissa from Melissa's Corner and I have been in for a long time. Y'all know we have been in this coach hole for a long time. We have been in this rabbit hole of the denim rabbit hole for a long time. And then we popped over to the quilted tabby hole, rabbit hole, and you know everybody was into that, is still into that. I think I found yoga there a little while. I think I found a lot of people in there by watching. So you the more you watch, the more content you watch, the more things you see, things that maybe you've ignored, the internet, the websites and stuff, and then you see it being unboxed and you're like, oh, I didn't know they had that. I might have to have it. We are all unboxing quilted tabbies. No surprise. That's probably in our title. However, I believe mine is a different color and definitely a different size. This one is amazing. I got this from It's He shipped it out July the 18th. So this one actually is pretty current. We're still in July. Can you believe it? So this just came last week during my recovery week. So I got this from It's Hadrian at a fantastic price. When he came in that day, he was so excited, and Vadrian. Okay, Vadrian's his assistant, a V instead of an H for V for virtual assistant, virtual Hadrian, so he's Vadrian. But no. But you put it in. Okay, you're off the hook, Vadrian. I was like, I saw these at the top and I was like, no, I don't like these, but he's brilliant. See, this is what I'm saying. About these guys. They're just like brilliant. It's like he had these, he was, obviously wanted to use them, needed to use them, wanted to, whatever. And he put them in a bag, and then smart, genius. So Vadrian takes very good care. Hadrian will take his stuff to Vadrian, and Vadrian will box everything up. So now I think pretty much he's doing all of the boxing. Vadrian has taken pretty much care of it, but he packages things fantastically. So your items are gonna come very well. And he's smart. You're such. Look at this. So this is a big one. I cannot believe that nobody else bought this. Yes, hello, Thrift Squad. I don't understand, but I'm okay. I'm happy for myself. He put it in a Tory Burch dust bag. Hey, that's good, because I actually have a Tory Burch that needs a Tory Burch dust bag. So I will show this to y'all, and then we will talk about all the details. Oh, even more packing still. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. The color is so pretty. It is beautiful. So, ta-da! It is a 33 quilted tabby. Okay, so now I know a lot of y'all are going to say, oh, I thought you don't like big bags and everything. When I went on my meetup with Yoshia Lux, Deline, and Laura the Camo Chica, we were gone a long day. I took my black 26 quilted tabby, and it was a beautiful carry. Very beautiful carry. However, I needed, because it was a long day, and when I have a long day, I have to add some more, medications to doses to last me throughout the day. I have to add, some aspirin, some extra things that I'll need because of my health down the road. and so those were like necessity things. So when I added those to the 26, I didn't have room for like my selfie stick. I was using my white little selfie stick, and so then I had to carry that, and that was, or I had to put it in like a shopping bag, and then I was never, so it was just a nightmare. So I was saying at the time to them when we were talking about the day, I was saying, you know, just a little bit of bigger bag would be great, you know, for the same one, you know, the same style. 4 days like that. Then this came up. So do y'all know how much these are on the website, right? So let me get mine. A 33 on the website, $725 on the website. Okay, that's a lot of money, right? This $385 is what Hadrian was selling it for, because he was able to get it off of a consignor for the consignment shop for a great deal. So then he passed it on to us, and I can't believe that nobody jumped at it. I was like, I even tried to wait a little while, and then I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have it. So let's see. It does have the chain. There he goes. So there's the chain. This actually, the chain feels shorter than my other one, but you know, it could be deceiving. Here's what it looks on the inside. Let me take all the stuffing out. He packed it very well. Save that because I like to. Oh, that's just interesting. It has some different features that the 26 doesn't have. So here is the bag. It has the, you know, where it says Napa leather, the TABBY genuine Napa leather. Here is the inside of it. What I was talking about, the different features, is that it has this pocket in the back, and it has a snap. Very interesting. Very interesting. And it still even has on the inside, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. It has the little, I don't want to take it out. I keep mine in there. Oh, here, this thing's still in there. No, this. And behind the creed, I always keep mine in there. I don't know why. But, so it has that in there, has that back pocket, it has the zipper, it has the front, and extreme, no smells at all. No, it just smells like leather, and very roomy, very roomy. And then in the front here, it has the magnetic closure there. We have this here, put that in there, so you have that as well. So definitely, you know, definitely your cell phone will fit. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max, so definitely fits with lots of room. Definitely fits in the back with lots of room. It has the back, oh yeah, show you the back, has the back pocket in there. They're very clean condition. I just love stumbling across these deals. Here it is on the, you know, as a shoulder carry, which is how I carried my 26 most of the time, and how I'll carry my the 20 as well most of the time. It you know, fits very well on here like that. So it does feel a little, I'm gonna have to try my other bag, because it feels like the chain is shorter, and maybe they use the same length of chain, but because it's a bigger bag, it's not. Here it is as a shoulder carry, where it comes to just below my hip. So as a crossbody, yeah, on the camera it looks kind of big, but I'm really close to it as well. But you know, in a pinch I can carry it this way, It feels like a suitcase. It looks like a suitcase, you know. But I just, for the price, I thought, okay, I need to at least get it, see if it'll work for me or not. Because I don't know. I don't know if it will. You don't know until you get something. But it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. The color is like amazing. It's a gray, but you know, it has throws a little bit of blue off of it. So it's really, really interesting. Let me go get my black tabby and see how the comparison is. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. So here's my black 26 tabby. Oh no, I stored it wrong. See, if you store it wrong, they're very delicate. I've got the imprints of the chain on there. That's my fault. It is. See, look at that. Okay, see, that's why it felt awkward. See, here it is. Let me set them both on the table. So there is just about a half an inch longer on the gold on the 26 than there is on the 33 on the chain, which that makes a difference, which is why this isn't as comfortable as this. So it's not necessarily the size, it's where it's falling on me, both crossbody and shoulder, the short shoulder, which is how I like to carry this. Because this, you know, see, it passes the elbow chest, and it falls really nicely, you know, down below. And this, though, can't really do the elbow chest too well, and it doesn't, you know, it's that half an inch, which it's, you know, might be doable, but I wonder if they're all that way. And the 33s rather. And then, you know, yeah, of course. So we're looking at this much of a difference, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13 chain link shorter, the 33 is, than the 26 chain. So that actually makes a big difference, especially for somebody my size who just needs that extra one. That's disappointing. Gosh, that's disappointing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try it. I'm not sure. I do have an outing this weekend that I was planning to use it. So I guess I'm gonna pack it up. First I'll pack it up and then see if I can even take it with me, because of the fact that I'm gonna, you know, wah, wah, wah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Great price. Coach just dropped the ball on the chain link. I don't understand why they didn't at least keep the same. It actually should have a longer strap. It's a bigger bag. It needs a longer strap. Okay, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for being here with me today. My ups and lows, my ebbs and flows. Putting up with the different views and stuff. It's kind of crazy. So I greatly appreciate you coming by and joining me. If you have not already seen Melissa's Corners video or Missy's Beauty and Luxury's video on their quilted tabbies and to find out what color, what size that they got, please do so. Please go over there, show them some loves. If you haven't subscribed to the three of us yet, please do so. We're all trying to grow our channel just as everybody else on YouTube land is trying to do that. I'm trying to get to my goal of 1010. I'm feeling, you know what, it is what it is. It is what it is. If you still feel so compelled to subscribe, please do so. If not, just continue watching me, and I'm fine with that. So it's kind of is it a fail video? Is it a fail unboxing? I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. I won't know. Initially, it's a bummer unboxing. It's a bummer unboxing because of the chain. Not because of anything else so far, because of the chain. But for me, that's a big thing, especially being at my size. I fully expected the drop to be like the 26, so it's greatly disappointing that Coach did that. So that's where the disappointment is. So now I'm gonna have to use it. Hopefully I'll be able to use it this weekend and see if I can tell right away whether or not it is gonna be a good fit for me or not. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank y'all so much. Thank you, Melissa and Missy, for collabing with me, for thinking about me and reaching out to me. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for visiting us, and we will see you on the next one. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye.